Hey Steam users, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'll walk you through how to remove items from your Steam shopping cart quick and easy. So, first of all, open up the Steam application on your mobile device and sign into your account. Once you're logged into the home page, go ahead and tap on your shopping cart icon, which is located at the top left corner. You will be able to see all the games or items that you've added to your shopping cart. To delete the item, click on the Remove button right underneath your game's thumbnail. After you click on Remove, this will remove the item from the list. Repeat this process for every other item you would like to delete from your cart, and that's it. You can easily tidy up your Steam cart in just a few clicks and taps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.